Puddy has this routine that she does. First she eats a little bit of food, and then she comes over here and she knows that we're getting ready to watch People's Court. And she does not like that. Look at her. She knows we're getting ready to watch the People's Court. Yep, this is all part of it. It's so weird.
She waits for me to get over there.
It's happening. Getting ready to start some action? What's going on? Every time we watch People's Court. Every time we watch People's Court, this is what happens. What is it? You don't like the People's Court? Or you...
You know we're going to be sitting down for half an hour if People's Court's on.
Because it doesn't go that well for the dogs on the show.
Right.
Give me that. Puddy the dog has been accused of interrupting us watching the People's Court. We're suing you. We're suing you for interrupting the People's Court. The defendant, Puddy the dog.
Got to find something to play with.
But I do see a lease, and what it says is that the rent is what? What does the lease say? It is $2,000.
Oh, you win. Good job. You just won. You won.
That's too hard to do it.
He loves you right now.